We'll guide you through how to fix support.apple.com/iPad/restore on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So what this is recovery mode. So perhaps you've accidentally ended up in here or you're not quite sure and you're wanting to go and get out of it. We're going to guide you through how this is done. So with this screen here, it's indicating you to go and connect your iPad to a computer. So you can go and be connected and then go and continue in the Finder on a Mac or in the Apple Devices app on a Windows computer. And there you could go and update it or restore it, which you can do and get out of it that way. But you don't have to do that. You can go and get out of it by going and doing a button combination on the iPad as well, which we're going to guide you through. So what you can do is come to the controls here and you're going to go and press this button on the left, then the right, and we're going to tap and hold the side button here. We'll do that quickly now. So left, right, and then tap and hold here. Now, all you need to do is go and keep this held down. You're going to go and keep your apps and files, by the way. Keep that button held down. And shortly, we should go and see the Apple icon like that. You can then go and release, and it's now going to go and start. So go and be patient while this goes and happens. And it shouldn't be much longer, and we're going to be brought to the lock screen, as you can see. So you can go and swipe up and you can go and use it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again soon in the future with more how-tos.